All right, everyone. We reach in LU campus, Lucknow University, and there is a one book fair, and that is why we came here. And the date of the book fair is from 20 September to 28 September, and there are more than 10,000 editions of the book is here, and that is why we came here with my friends. And today we are going to explore LU campus. And there is a book fair, that is why we came here. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see here there is a this type of a scenario. When I saw, I got feels like wow. So that is why you can see the campus of the LU, and here one advertisement is here for the parking, and so many four-wheelers are going to park. And you can see here there is a Gomti Pustak Mahotsav Lucknow University, and 20 to 28 September, and also so please let's come. And also you can see here our honorable Chief Minister of Mr. Yogi ji here, and in the there is a one tagline is here like you can see here पढ़ना हर महान परिवर्तन की ओर और पहला कदम है. So that is why we came here. And so ladies and gentlemen, we have to this is LU campus and main campus, and so many people are coming here for the exploring the book festival, and that is why one statue is here like this is Maharaja Pratap statue, and Mr. Brajesh.
Yes.
Yeah, there is a one book festival is here. So what would you like to say, my audience? So please.
Definitely. Before few minutes, we have reached here, and really, I'm excited to visit in this book fair because I think there may be so many books. So that if I purchase the book, they will definitely help me a lot.
Yeah.
That's why I'm excited
Our
to.
public speaking
Yeah.
and English communication. That is why we came
That's
here.
why we came here, and we are the
need-
training of
we
the
need
Talk
only English
Institute.
book, that is why. Yeah. And
Definitely.
we will firstly we will
And
see
if
and
you are-
explore, and then after we will take for the better book for our skill development of the
Yeah.
English.
And definitely, if you are living in Lucknow,
So please
you
do
just
come.
we are requesting to just visit in this book big
Yeah.
fair. Definitely, you will get so many knowledge, so many books. Okay, Mr.
So
Sujit.
please,
Yeah.
if you are living in Lucknow, please do come and visit. This festival is going to make like wow, and definitely we are going to rock this.
Okay, definitely, of course.
We
why
are
not?
going to
Yeah.
rock this Gomti Pustak
Okay,
festival.
let's
That is why.
go
So
inside.
please let's come. So here is what we can say. This is a security.
We can say.
Yeah,
No one can
and
use weapons.
we will use this is for
What a beautiful.
this really makes like wow. And there is a one program is here, and if you want to interested to come here, so please do come. And firstly you will see there is a one organization is here, and so many legends and renowned person will come here. And if you want to see this type of scenario, so please do come. And this is a stage for the renowned person and the chief guest. And also firstly we will go here from this is Ashok Astam. So this is also makes like wow also. So that is why this is Ashok Astam, and honorable Buddha is here. And also you can see this is my honorable chief minister and exam carriers. This is a book, and I am going to so please honorable chief minister of Yogi. And so this is a selfie point. If you want to, if you need any type of the selfie point, so please do come. And this is a wow, this is a big. Firstly this type of the there is only book, nothing but. So Mr. Rishabh, what would you like to say? You are seeing just this type of the book fair, very big.
Yeah, of course. Right now I'm here just Lucknow.
Yeah.
You can see, and I'm just here. A very book festival is there.
Yeah.
First, I'm just searching some books
if you are getting some knowledge by book, if you are interested for reading the some types of a book, of course you should come here. And you can search the lots of and many types of book. And here almost 1000 plus publication book is available is there. So according to my thoughts, you should come here and you can purchase and you can search the books, many types of book. Thank you.
Of course, Mr. Rishabh, and there is a one signature corner is here, and that is why firstly we have to come here and do signature. And so please, you have a pen? Yeah, you have pen. So no problem, guys. You can see we are going to firstly we are going to do signature, and then after that we would explore you. So please let's. So there is a one marker. You have a one marker? No problem. Oh, there is a marker. That is why cycle wala yogi is. So where I said, oh, this is a. So I think cycle wala yogi. So ladies and gentlemen, and also Sujit, he is here. Yeah. So firstly we have to go, and there is only.
We should visit.
Yeah, one by one. I think there is so many books is here. So yeah, this is Rupa publication Actions India, and you can please show the banner and advertisement of the. So firstly there are, oh, you're fascinated and addicted to see the video on YouTube channel. Whenever I found you, so you saw the video Shashi Tharoor.
Yeah, I'm the
Why
subscriber. I'm
you like
subscriber of
you like Shashi Tharoor?
Actually, the way he is speak, it is very fantastic and fantabulous.
Yeah,
And the thought, what thought he has.
yeah.
Whenever I hear the thought of this man, I feel good. Really, I feel good.
And also there is some spiritual book is also, and like Sundarkand. This is Sundarkand Pustak is also here, and so Vishnu book is also here. So that is why there is one book is here there. So India in Love, marriage and sexuality in the 26th century, and you can. This is writer of the Irat Trivedi, and you can buy. And so ladies and gentlemen, guys, you can see we came in the corridor of this book Gomti Pustak Mahotsav festival of the book, and we came one other shop is here. And also firstly we have to say that so please take this. इसे प्रकाशन विभाग एंड प्रसारण मंत्रालय भारत सरकार स्वागतम गोमती पुस्तक महोत्सव लखनऊ 2025. So please there are so many Bal Poti like book is here, and Bal Bharati, this is also helpful for our children, and so many books is also here. So firstly, why people protest? So Mr. Brijesh, this is book why people protest. I think what we
Why
will
people protest?
yeah.
Subhas Sharma. So, do you want to
Trial of the Tilak Acho, I think.
Trial of Tilak.
And so many books is here if you need. And what is this? This is around India's first table. And also you can see our honorable Prime Minister is here. And Sabka Saath Sabka Vikas book is here. And you can see. And I inspired by his
Madhubani paintings from Bihar.
I inspired from his mentality because he's going to
Madhubani painting.
Madhubani painting.
Madhubani painting.
About this book, because this book comes from Bihar Mithila region. Mithila region, it is a part of course I am also come from the Mithila, and as well as Madhubani district. I am coming from the Mithila, and basically just Madhubani district. Guys, I am just telling you about this Mithila painting. Mithila painting is very most famous painting is all over the world, and everyone know about UPSC Uni Public Commission Service. If you are preparing this type of examination, if you are drawing this type of painting, you will get another numbers in UPSC examination. I am searching about this book, and I will suggest you about this painting and about about this book. Yeah, please.
Yeah. So, Mr. Nitish, what would you like to say?
I like the book of this, Lucknow University.
Yeah.
In the Lucknow University, you can get many types and different types of book.
Yeah.
Just I like the book of three books. I noticed three types of book. First, love step by step. Second, how to speak English. And the third one is that about related
Motivation? Mughal?
No.
What you do?
Are Modi ji, Narendra Modi. And of course, sure. And
Also, I
this book
inspired
really
from
motivates
the
us. You should
mentality
guys-
and mentality of the our honorable Prime Minister of India.
Of course, and you guys, you want to book by in the Lucknow, just come
Please
up to
do come
Lucknow
and
University.
visit and explore are the
Of
book
course,
stall because
definitely you should.
and I
go.
think we have
Thank
to
you
go
so much.
another shop because this book is only for related to our ancient India and so please Bintu, if I am here, so why are taking this scenario here? And also you can Khusro Foundation of books is here and so many Mughals and also book is here related to our Urdu and what is this? Mr. Vijesh? Yeah, this is of course. So what is this? This is a Ramayana and also all the
Magic box.
yeah.
It's a very unique product.
Yeah. So, Mr. Ma'am, please tell something about your stall and what would you like to convey the message to my audience?
Okay. We work from Magic Box Publications.
Yeah.
It's based in Chennai, and the brand is Ink Mio. So we can show you the
Please.
अगर इसमें क्रेयॉन स्केच पेन्स वाटर कलर्स कुछ भी यूज करेंगे
Yeah.
इसको इरेजेबल इरेज किया जा सकता है
Oh,
ठीक है
this is also like a magic.
It can be used multiple times.
यस मल्टीपल टाइम्स
Oh my god.
So please. Oh, this is also like magic. Audience,
Oh my god, you can see. Oh, this is really.
this is not a piece of cake.
How can you see in our phone? How can you see?
सषदुर्मुख षण्मुख A B C D E F G H I J. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Really, it is.
So guys, this is really like fantastic and like this is damn excited for me because you know that this is newly new for me and I did not see this type of the
Price of this, ma'am?
yeah of course
प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज 200
200 just
200
yeah.
this one 350 this size 350
So if you interested to teach your student your children, so please do come and take this and purchase this, buy this type of the items, book items because this is going to like a rock and
Definitely.
yeah of course.
It's easy to learn. Yeah. I think
we have books also
all these things can make everyone easy to learn. I
And
think
there is a special application for this.
yes there is a special application for
I
this
think
which
we
is
need to
called
install
Ink Mio app
अच्छा Imbrio है.
Ink Mio
Ink Mio. अच्छा Ink Mio. Firstly we have to download this application, then we will use it.
there is an activation code you
Yeah.
have to activate and then you can scan all the pictures
Oh.
Oh, fantastic.
So this is also newly new for us,
Yeah,
of course.
definitely.
And so guys, if you are taking any type of the picture, so related to pictures, firstly see the in colorful, and then after also in background there is a music will go play. So
Okay, that's really fantastic.
yeah, fantastic
I
also.
want to purchase, but
And this is related.
Purchase?
yeah, but after visiting all the things.
Yeah, so we have to come here
Don't worry.
and we will take.
Actually, there are 3 children at my home. So I think
Different age group.
yeah.
हाँ
I think one girl is about
think also-
6-year-old and one is 3-year-old.
Interested and
So I think it help a lot for them. Yeah.
And when our children, not children like our small brothers and sisters, we will
Yeah,
see, and we will use.
Actually, I
then
have
they will going to,
I have two nices at home.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I want to purchase this. But after visiting all the, just I will come back. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So Chennai, you mentioned. Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So this type of the you can see mentality and this type the act. So what we can say? So first, and see other book stall are also. No. Here. So guys, while exploring the book festival Mahotsav in Lucknow University, so if you are getting hungry and if you need water, so there are so many stalls is here like Bisleri brand stall is here, and if you need, so please you. So my friend is purchasing my Bisleri book bottles. So yeah, and also you can see there are Sarma ji ki chai. This is famous in Lucknow, and Sarma ji ki chai is also here. And so please, Mr. Satish, Sarma ji ki chai, you know about the. This is also brand in Lucknow.
Yeah,
Sarma ji ki,
definitely.
this is very famous in Lucknow.
But I don't know.
You don't know?
Sorry to say.
So many celebrity would come here, and firstly we have to they have to visit Sarma ji ki chai. This is
just
famous.
I have visited at this shop at this time only.
Yeah.
That's
So
why I
this
don't
is
know.
Sarma ji ki chai also. Stall is here, and also one stall is also is there here, and this is related to pizza wings. And if you need any type of the pizza, so please do come and you can purchase and you can eat easily. And so many like tables for the eating. And
We are five now. We are five. Okay.
so please do come and visit. Yeah, of course.
चाय पिला दो यार